अबे यार ये क्या चल रहा है इनका यार, बाबू शोना बात करो।
2 1 गो।
असेंटी है ना, नाइस भाई। भाई मैं प्रो हूँ भाई, मैं ऐसे होस्टिंग में कास्टिंग में मस्त है।
वी आर लाइव नाउ।
Okay, so we are here. The score is 1-1. OG Popat lost to Trash Gang in 4-13. And then they bounce back with 13-5 scoreline on Breeze.
So we have
Yeah.
got third map as a sit, and
Now we are heading towards the third map, and
the team
everyone
of
is
Bunny Hop is
eager
defending
to see this man called Weird Deadly 10.
so deadly, bro.
He has 2 knife kills last map.
He had two knife kills. What nice.
One sneaky one and one 1v1 knife kill, you know. अरे कोपचे में बैठा था, हुआ क्या कि ये कोपचे में बैठा था, साइफर आगे निकल गया था, इसने साइफर को पेल दिया पीछे से।
Are we live?
Yeah, we are.
We are live. सही है, कोपचे
Yes.
में पहला हो गया, of course.
Okay.
बस टीम कंपोजिशन देखने में इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा बे।
Select your
Okay.
What they can do?
Okay,
Are they taking
Astra.
so much time?
डबल ड्यूलिस्ट विदाउट
Jetman
इनिशिएटर।
got Sova, bro. What is this?
वो
Jetman
स्कैन कर
talking
रहा है वो
Sova.
पिछले
I think they're not sure about what they're gonna take in the map.
Oh my
Map, bro.
God.
Ascent.
अबे लीवाई
Let's
विद
go. My
फीनिक्स।
favorite map, Ascent.
Levi
This
with
is something new. This is something new. This is something new. No sky.
Sorry, interesting. Yes.
Why is Jetman?
Okay.
Why is
Aureo.
Sova Jetman?
Double duelist composition.
I'm-
Everyone is going.
I don't know, but I feel a very different vibe from this Oreo guy.
Oreo?
Overio.
Oreo guy.
Overio.
Aureo. Let's see what he can do, bro, in the match.
I just want to
Arre,
see
Levi
that
Ackerman.
bottom.
Cracked. Let's see. Phoenix.
This marksman, dude. He is just, he's insane with marshals and
Jenny
snipers.
Talia.
Okay.
Marksman. Evel. Nice.
DK.
But what is this, man? Jet main taking Sova? And
He's
we are deadly
scamming,
taking
bro.
Jet. Maybe they are having fight in the lobby. Okay, let's starting and Jetman watching the team. Show me what you got. What you can do. And that's a good thing to bunny hop in the starting,
Yeah,
practice the
man.
movement. And Jet, you can see the bunny hop difference. Or they're hopping. Nice.
Cypher setups by Yen Mister with his Cypher one-way lineups. Nice. Teach me as well, bro. It's like they are going towards A. Okay, initial recon. It is going. It will scan at least 3 players. Oh, Levi is just an insane guy. Okay, deadly. You got some skills.
Yikes.
My God.
Nice, Deadly. Okay.
Deadly nice as always.
You want money that bad, bro? What are you doing? Yeah, just
They are
change the gun. Just change the gun.
They are looking to go
there.
towards A. Okay.
Jetman got the
Jetman
headshot.
is
Bro, again, but the Cypher. Like,
Cypher.
yeah.
Okay, now they have man advantage. Trash Gang is OP.
Oreo.
Let's see.
Or you got the plant.
Let's see what they can do.
Planting,
The-
but
Oh
what are you
my-
doing, bro? Don't make it so
Last
open.
player standing.
Don't be so open.
Now it's Yen Mister in 1v2 situation. Let's see what he can do.
Bro, just go straight. Make it predictable. Yeah.
One enemy
You can do
remaining.
it.
Okay,
It's
now
just
1v1,
say on the generator, bro.
1v1.
Don't
Just
do
one
like
tap.
this, bro.
Oh
Don't do
my
like
God.
this.
Close call, guys. Close call.
Oreo, bro.
Attackers with a good start.
I told you.
ये लोग बहुत टी बैक कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे को,
Audio
पिछले
bro.
राउंड पे कर रहे
Can
थे
someone
भाई।
get this? Thank you.
वही लिंक शेयर कर स्ट्रीम का। लिंक शेयर कर दे।
I can't share this.
इनको बोल दे।
Can someone get this? Thank you.
Akshay bro will do it.
Run.
Akshay bro will do it.
भाई मैं ही तो बोल रहा हूँ शेयर करने को.
Okay, we must.
Sharing the link.
Okay, there is a heavy mid push. Nice. Oh my
That's a very
god.
good start. Marksman, what are you doing, bro?
He'll just
Taking down
okay.
Levi and okay, that's very good. Good angle.
Now
DK.
it's 2v4.
Just fall back, DK. The game's on your side. Oh, pushing Cubby. Jet.
Okay.
Planting, bro.
Spike
Okay,
planted.
very good start. Oreo.
You know,
Again, let's see
Deadly
what
is
Oreo
just
can do.
insane, you know. Deadly is just insane racing. Sheriff. Even in
Last
close
player
range.
standing.
Be faster.
Just as I was saying, he's insane with Sheriff.
Taken down also one by.
Okay, so it's 2-0, a good start for Trash Gang. Let's see what they can do. It is the map of actually OG Poppert Esports. Now, okay, he'll be doing some weird things with
Pushing.
his Vandal pushing in.
Verdantly is gonna go for it.
Just pressing
Pushing
W
B,
key.
man, got the sky in the front. You're taking that angle,
Nah,
not holding back.
he usually does that thing.
Okay, let's see.
As the name suggests, he play very deadly.
Where did you get that humor, my friend?
Okay.
What is this patience, bro? Esther, not even peeking, man. What are you
Okay.
doing, bro? Both so
That man
patient.
with insane.
Why it's
shot.
like they knew each other. They can
Okay,
feel
I
it,
will
bro.
go
They can
take
feel it that they are watching each other. They are true lovers. That's it. It's like always.
Okay, Yenmaster is down. The site is
The
wide
black
open,
power.
but the cross.
Not being
the
racist,
cross-
but black is powerful.
I think they got the call about that Jet has pushed B main, so they are thinking of going towards B. Let's see what happens. Now
30
they got
seconds
onto the
left.
site.
Scanning ahead.
Okay, they have raised on B
Spike
main,
planted.
so
Last
that
player
will be-
standing.
Oh my god, what a flick. Oreo, bro. Oreo.
as the name suggests, weird. As the name suggests, weird deadly is weird, but the trash gang is not trash. Both the statements contradict each other.
Don't roast them, bro.
But the Poppert is reality in purpose, bro. Purpose is a Poppert is a purpose, man. They are just scamming. They are just scamming NIT Meghalaya. Okay, insane backside flash.
अबे अपने CSE वो पोलो वॉइस में शेयर कर दे.
Follow voice.
हाँ, watching.
Okay, weird deadly with very weird angle. It's nothing new.
कर दे.
Okay, dink on the cipher. Oh
Oh, you're deadly.
God. That's what happened when you play against the player of rank 1300 in Asia server.
Let's have a look at weird.
Racket's
The
girl
sta-
goes bye
Former star of Purpose Esports finally going down.
Concealment.
Didn't have to state that, but okay.
Okay.
30
DK
seconds left.
whipping some shots.
Last player standing.
Scanning
Last
ahead.
enemy.
Last player checkmate who is actually
As the name suggests, Jetman is also not Jet. Welcome to the stream.
Attackers completely owning the rounds.
Yeah, attackers. They are just playing with very patience, you know. They want Deadly to make some mistake. And Deadly is making mistakes. That's the problem.
I think they don't want anything. They're just playing it randomly. They're doing exceptional
no,
thing,
no.
man. What are they doing? Audio, bro.
They are just holding, man. They are playing default. They are
Yeah.
pushing, pinching B main.
They're holding,
and
taking picks, entering or either rotating. There are only two ways. Or just entering, rotating, and
Vikrant just
And
sounded
rotating
like
twice.
that virus. You know, virus from 3 Idiots.
virus.
Life is a race.
Life is a race. Everything is machine.
Deadly OP. Hashtag Deadly OP in the chat, guys.
Yes, actually, Deadly is OP.
Actually, Deadly is deadly, you know.
Deadly is deadly.
Let's see what. Oh, insane. Levi with the insane. Levi with insane shot. Taking down Marksman.
And that Cypher is saying, I watch everything.
I was
Okay,
Behind
Deadly
the
with
generator, I
another.
watch everything and Shubha peeking through the
One
heaven.
enemy
But yeah,
remaining.
Shubha got the Oreo and
Okay,
Jenny.
the
You get that on camera.
I'm very sad about you, Jenny.
Ian Mister with the pick. Now this is the first
Jenny,
round for
Jenny.
the Poppet esports.
Jenny se
or
maja
you
lo.
can say Purpose esports.
What is the purpose of purpose esports?
What
To
is
win
the
the
purpose
VCT, Berlin.
I wanna know the purpose. Let's see what this match defines. Let's see what they can do.
Ian Mister with his cipher setups. What you are trying to do, man? Just do it. Just place the tripwire, man.
Yes,
Yes,
do it.
stream पे lag आ रहा है क्या?
हल्का सा
Okay, we are deadly pushing B main and DK spots him. DK spots him. Just, he's deadly, man.
Party's over.
He is just insane. You can't
We are
stop him.
deadly.
That's
Are
why
you
Deadman
awake?
is not playing
We are
Jet.
deadly is awake. He was on the bed.
और 3
He was on the bed. He got the Reyna. He wants the Reyna that bad, bro. Reyna, I love you, Reyna. I love you. Just kill the Reyna, bro. Just... Oh my God, we are deadly.
Deadly with a 4K.
चिड़िया बना दी.
It's like shut up and bend over. What are you doing? They're just shutting up the opponents, bro. We are deadly. We wanna see more. Let's make it 4 and 4. What are you doing, bro? Very good.
ठीक है.
Some
They're
trading.
sharing their guns.
they are trading
Jet with
skins.
the 4-second power, 4-second the cheater. Let's
No,
see.
no, no.
For the
He is
cheater.
with
Oh,
glitch.
Jet got the glitch pop.
Glitch pop machine gun.
She wants it glittery. She wanna make it glittery. Let's see what the finisher is. Where the finisher is. Oh my God! Again with the same strategy.
With
Smoking
weird
in the
angle.
first round.
We are deadly with
smoking
weird
the B
angle.
main. And Astra holding B angle. We are deadly pushing. Astra, you need to look back. Okay, what are you doing exactly, bro? What is this? You need to. Okay, we are deadly, man. You can see the leg. You can see the leg, bro. You need to do some squats, man. Astra, you do some squats. Make your
One
leg
enemy
thinner.
remaining.
Oreo is
Oreo, yes, hold on, Oreo. We are with you.
1 HP. 1 HP pro.
Let's see if we can witness 1v4. Change the cam to Oreo. Oreo is very slow.
No.
Oh my God, we are deadly.
He has just insane movements.
Stream is unwatchably laggy. Yes, bro. Reduce graphics. Hey,
how do I reduce the graphics? कैसे
Video graphics quality.
streaming on hotspot. अरे it's a weak laptop यार. Performance बहुत weak है laptop. GTX 1050.
Streaming क्या है? Resolution क्या है streaming?
Okay,
यानी TV.
this is a nice one.
Just watch it, bro. Just watch it.
Goes here.
But we are watching it 120 FPS. It feels very good. I'm not even watching the stream.
अब मैं कैसे करते हैं? रुक मैं करता हूँ.
I don't wanna burn my eyes.
Now, Trash Gang on Eco. Let's see what they can do.
Making a push on
And
mid.
deadly, bro. Volvic. Everything.
Deadly is just playing Fortnite.
Okay, Deadly.
Okay.
Reyna
Bradley is
got
dead
deadly.
now.
Reyna is pushing, but still, Reyna knows.
Okay,
Reyna
this side
knows
is wide
everything.
open.
Cypher don't
This-
watch everything, bro. Reyna watch everything. What is this?
Okay,
If you got
here,
Reyna,
here.
so stop her and
Very
waste it.
special.
Waste it, man. Why? Okay. Do not be so rushy, man. Okay.
Okay,
got
Levi
the
won.
One
main
enemy
person,
remaining.
and so Levi got the
Okay.
sage.
Careful now.
That's some
Now we are on
professional
equal
aim.
score.
Yes, it's 4-4. From
Now
the
they are level up.
if you are losing in your current state,
I want to see
make
this
it the
game in
beginning.
overtime, guys.
Make it 4-4.
I want to see this
My
game in
friend.
overtime.
Hey,
We are deadly with operator
Because
now in
enemy
B main.
peoples knows everything.
I don't think so.
hey.
Okay. We deadly got the operator. Let's see what they can do. Okay.
What is this behavior, man? What is this behavior? Okay,
Why-
Levi
Spike
pushing.
down
Right.
A.
Levi
One
just
enemy remaining.
he is good for
Levi.
3. He is good for 3.
Nice one. That's a very
They
good.
are just posing
spray
them,
control.
guys. Forget Levi. What weird thing that weird Deadly was doing?
What was this round, bro? What was that round? I just forgot that round. It was so fast, bro.
Should I play some stars in this reality?
Shitty rounds.
Not CTS at all. This is a game we want to watch.
Hmm.
Can't even start. Let's last tier D.
Okay, someone is going to die now.
Stay down. Blocking sight. You will not kill my ally.
Just look at weird Deadly. He is just
Oh my god.
Levi.
okay. It's 2v2, even up the numbers. Now let's see what happens. They are already in the garden. They are so scared, man. They are not even running.
But
They
it's
are so
the
scared.
Cypher.
And
player
okay,
standing.
now it's 1v2.
The Cypher.
Let's see what he can do with.
No charges left.
One enemy remaining.
Okay, 1v1.
Why, Jet? Why?
Because he is weird Deadly, you know.
Spike planted.
Break that cam, dude. What are you doing?
What are you doing, bro? Sage, audio, bro. Get some audio, bro. Get some audio. Have yourself filled up, man.
This is a serious case of
It's like losing
cyberbullying.
energy, bro. Where is that spirit, bro? Jet is lying backwards, bro. Report each other, bro. Report each other. I think she was searching for the audio in the drawer.
No. No. What I am saying is that
And Jet is like, people talk about my one taps. Nay. That Cypher is
gang.
like, people talk about my one tap.
no.
We are
no,
deadly,
no.
bro. Don't jump too much. This is slippery. Don't jump too much, bro. You will slip.
What?
You jumping,
Why, man? Why on the earth you are
sliding,
doing this,
rushing,
man?
wall banging. There's some
He's
psychic
just
there,
doing
man.
everything, man.
Yes, man. Everything.
Weird is
And
pushing.
people talk about his one taps.
Okay, DK is
Spike down
dead.
mid.
Thanks to Jasmine.
Here.
We are deadly pushing B main.
And we can see Cypher versus Cypher. Oh
What-
my god, what is
What
this
should
aim
Oreo
location?
do,
Enemy
man?
remaining.
What is
should
this aim
Oreo do?
location? I think you should
Oreo
have.
is in insane position.
Great.
Okay, Deadly is dead finally.
But Sage,
1v2
you
again
should
for
not try.
Oreo.
Okay, Cypher,
Oreo.
don't do it.
Whatever
Cypher,
it is.
don't do it. It's Sova, bro. Jetman, bro. Oh
Jetman.
no, you are Sova, bro. What is this name, bro? Change it.
Last
What is
round
this
in
name?
the half.
I'm going to report this Jetman, man. For
Yo, Matrix, bro, welcome
not
to the
playing
stream.
Jet once in this tournament.
We are ruining the reputation of NIT Meghalaya, bro. What is this? We don't have a reputation. We don't have a campus either. campus mean reputation. We just have our shitty laptop and laggy stream. What are we doing? We are doing nothing, bro. Wasting our time. And this game is like saving from that deadly life. And moving back to deadly Jetmin, bro, change this name.
Okay, these
immediately.
guys are insane.
Okay, got the Marshall.
No, man, please
Fierce, bro.
don't do this
Easy.
thing, man.
Fierce. Take it easy, bro. Take it easy.
One enemy remaining.
We are deadly.
They are just owning them.
Serious, bro.
A very impressive half 8.
That is like very,
Switching
very,
sides.
very, very
This is
winnable.
serious case of cyberbully.
Yeah,
That's what I'm telling you.
yeah.
Just look at Deadly and this in this attacking rounds.
Are you with the sheriff?
WP player, we are
Are
Deadly.
you with the...
Ian Master trying to control Deadly,
He's the IGL of the team.
but sometimes he also fails to control him. Because
He's so deadly.
Deadly
I
is
don't
deadly,
even
man.
know why are we streaming
He's
this
Python,
kind of
man.
game, bro. It's very obvious. They are,
What you guys want to do?
yeah. Okay, Rez got some lineups. Straight for that lineup.
What
They
is this
will
behavior?
try to take. Oh, Cypher got the camera, bro. Camera. Oh my god. OP camera. Cypher wanna see. Cypher wanna watch it, bro. You dirty Cypher. Okay.
Everyone is just dead.
Already, ये क्या
Everyone
कर
is
दिया है?
dead.
हाँ,
Okay.
ये कर.
Careful now.
This is some serious
Just
serious
ये कर लो
bullying,
पहले,
bro.
हाँ, ये कर लो.
This is some serious cyberbullying.
Jet,
enemy
bro,
remaining.
this is illegal, bro. Why are you playing with their life, man? Just running. मैं उसके एम के सामने भगता जा रहा है, कूद रहा है, भाग रहा है, खड़ा हो जा.
Why insane moments, भाई. Hashtag
देखो कैसे
1300 rank,
क्यूट
bro.
बन रहा है. Oh, nice.
Hashtag
Dike got that
1300
kill,
rank,
bro.
bro.
This is a very good.
He got
Just,
1300 rank in
if you know
Asia
your
server, bro.
reality, just get some kills.
Plant and run away from the site.
Yeah, Sova, bro. This is not good, bro. Not good, Sova. Jet, oh, mother, sorry. Sova, man. I personally want to see your name change, bro. Sova, man.
Let me tell you one
Okay.
fact.
I'll
That
pronounce him
Jetman-
Sova, man.
Jetman never played Jet in this tournament.
Yeah.
Not
Oh my
once.
god. It's very
Because they
provoking
have that
behavior,
man.
man. It can create some serious controversial things, man. Political issue, man. This is a political issue. Why Jetman, bro?
Correct, Sangma may need to resign, man.
Make it partial Jetmail, bro. Jetmail. Phoenix, bro, what is this? Burning your
They are
own
just
team.
throwing everything at them, man.
My ultimate's not ready.
One enemy remaining.
Okay.
This comes straight for what is
Deadly,
this, Grim,
no,
bro?
please don't do
It's
that.
like it's
Please
like
don't
Iron
do
Lobby,
that,
but
Deadly.
actually they are immortals. Immortals, do you play like
They
this?
are bullying immortals.
I think
guys. What
we are
is
just
this
wasting our
behavior?
time doing tactical things and still on gold and silver. is this real, bro? Do you actually play like
They are
that?
cyberbullying
They just
immortals.
Go
guys.
straight and kill. Oh, I forgot. I actually forgot. Pros don't fake. They just jump and run and shoot. Very beautiful.
Pros do fake, guys. Actually,
their
मैं
fake is
first-
real.
हाँ,
Their fake is very unfake. And that
they are very
Phoenix, bro,
aggressive.
why are you angry?
The reason
Phoenix,
behind this is
why are
actually
you
first
angry?
map the
You should not
OG,
push.
OG Popot played with 4 players and someone just teabagged Deadly and Deadly. that
भाई
was
वो
like
उल्टी
just,
स्मोक के
I'm
अंदर ही
going
कर दिया.
यहाँ पे किसी ने डेडली को टीबैग किया था ना तो डेडली को तब से गुस्सा आ गया कि मेरे को टीबैग कैसे कर दिया फर्स्ट मैप में. Some serious teabag issues, guys.
क्या मेरे
Marksman will be like, मेरे मुंह से निकल गई मेरे को माफ कर दो.
क्या मेरे Reyna in the heaven, Reyna looking for someone, Reyna got
अबे
someone.
यार,
Oh,
this
Reyna
is the-
died, bro.
Bully.
Levi, bro. Seriously, bro.
Levi with
Grab fire,
insane
bro.
flash, man.
Seriously, bro.
Insane flash.
What do you think, Cypher? You're
Or
not
you'll be
gonna
like-
live, bro. Watch your foot
One
closely.
enemy remaining.
Okay, Phoenix, bro. You had
I
your chance
wasn't
there.
him, guys.
Oreo in the form. Are you back in the phone?
He just got the round after 10 rounds straight. This is something new.
Yeah. Watching these immortals feels so good.
Heading to the above.
But still you are a gold.
Yes, bro. Still we are gold. Oh, they're just
You are
doing
gold.
lineups
You are
and
gold. We
you
are
know
silver,
what? They
bro.
just know some lineups and they're rushing. They're just walking and pushing and killing. Bro, what is this?
They are just bullying, man. This is serious case of cyberbullying. I'm telling you.
And they play too much. They play too much, bro. Half of
Deadly with another
You-
insane angle. Just
you
look at
playing
Deadly.
8 hours a day. It's 1/3 of your day.
It's one
You
third
should
of your
not be
life,
playing
man.
8 hours a day, man.
It is one
It's
third
not
of
an
your
achievement,
life, man.
bro. Seriously, Astra, bro.
Marksman
Just the
with the
sheriff.
Spectre. Let's see what he can
Oh my God,
do.
Cypher. Jet,
Link
array,
with
Sova, man.
Oh.
Got Rena.
Levi called fear. Killed by.
One enemy remaining.
What is
Guys.
this behavior, man?
Is this intentional, bro?
Why you bully your teammate?
Are you?
Deadly coming to
Headshot.
Deadly coming to knife him. Deadly coming to knife him. No, please. Oh,
Knife
nice
and
shot.
Sage.
Oreo is
Oreo.
another.
She got some
Oreo is-
Oreo in this backpack, bro. I got Oreo in my back pocket. Watch the heaven carefully.
Oreo be like, why am I in this
Oreo, you need to
situation,
do
guys?
fast, bro. Just lose, yeah. Push and lose.
No,
It's
no.
just too
No,
stoic,
he's going
man.
to
What
clutch
are you
it.
even?
Okay, no, no.
Jetman, sorry, Sova. Sova. Sove, change your name. It's very hard for us professional casters
Need a drop.
to pronounce you. While watching you or not. It's so fake, bro.
Professional.
This whole world is fake and you're proving it, bro. What is this?
Why Odin, man? Please don't. Please don't Odin, man.
Astra,
Please
bro,
don't.
seriously, you're using Odin, bro. Don't ruin the party, bro.
They'll call you spammers, guys. They'll call you spammers.
Oh my god, Sage just abandoned race, man. What is it?
Healer's down.
And now,
He
you
still
know,
died.
what happens when you abandon your friend, man? Random spray.
Last player
Get
standing.
out of my way.
Now it's GG. I think it's GG. No. There is
Finally.
still one round to go.
You will be able to see the
Match
final
point.
results. Let's
Why
see what
Odin,
they
man?
can do.
Why Odin? I think
Maybe-
all should take Odin.
Yeah.
Odin. of
Are they don't have crats for the gun. It's a save round, then it's a final round. God
What
help
do you
them.
think?
Hey,
What do you
man.
think?
Hey,
What's gonna
defenders,
happen?
get some help.
What are you doing, Levi? What are you doing on B? Go to A and rush, man. That's what your team is doing.
Caster number 2, bro. What's your problem, bro? What's your problem?
Oh, Deadly.
You are just
are
saying
you,
stupid
are
things,
you
bro.
okay?
DK, this is not good, DK, bro. I'm telling you. I will fall for you, DK.
Revealing area.
Okay, marksman with very nice shot. Cypher ult
You'll
is
just
on
get an
now.
Italian
They know
guy in your
exactly
bot, bro.
where they are.
Cypher Def. Yeah, Metze.
Jan Mister.
Yeah, nice. Arey, Japanese hai, maybe. Yeah, Metze.
Astra,
good
Astra
aside.
is still looking good. Astra with Odin.
Bro, this is not the kid. Just putting Odin. Sage. I pray to God, Sage, don't peek. Oh, nice. You're just falling back. It's not good to peek when there is Odin in the opponent's side.
Marksman
Odin,
is
it's
a very
like
rich
sixth
guy,
man in the team. Odin, it's the big brother of turret. You just randomly shoot it, you randomly kill it.
Nice!
Spike
Marksman with
down
3
A.
kills, guys.
Your duty.
Now we'll see Odin, man. Now
30
we'll see
seconds
Odin.
left.
Let's see, maybe it's not
1v5
the
with
last
Odin.
round. Arey, you know what? They just won the save round, man. Very good.
This map is still alive, guys. Anything can happen
Uh,
to anyone
yeah,
in real life.
anyone. Yes. Jet main can be a Sova. Sova can be a jet main. It's very, yes. Yes. Sova, I will not tell anyone that you just fucked up your lineup.
No one saw that.
Cypher, yeah.
Yen
It's
Master
between
is a
you and me,
professional
Cypher.
idea.
I saw that Cypher. Being immortal is like being famous. You will be criticized to
Okay,
death,
then
man.
Italia with full branded.
Spike down mid.
Cypher, you need to peek. You need
Okay,
to peek
2v3,
fast. You can
2v3,
maybe-
winnable,
Oh
winnable.
my god, we are deadly, bro.
One enemy remaining.
We are deadly,
Okay.
bro. Shut up and bend over, bro.
Please,
Shut up and bend over.
insane. Okay.
Shut up and bend
Now they
over.
won the
Deadly,
2
man.
round. Now it's time to take Odin, man.
Odin.
Just take this game to the overtime.
I never see
I'm
a
able to
Odin
see
with a
the
skin, bro. It's
LOL.
my first time seeing a Odin with a skin.
How is this possible? I'm able to see LOS of the player.
Let's see now.
How?
Hey, what's the problem with that caster, bro?
What is your problem? What's the problem?
What is your problem?
I want to play with. I want to play with Sabrosa once. That's my problem, man.
Sabrosa.
I just want to one tap him with Sheriff.
Careful now.
Yeah. I want to say in videos like people talk about the one taps. I like Scream very much. Oh, Sova, I think. Sova? Yametsu?
Okay. There is a rotations, but it is a fake.
You are divided.
What the fuck, man? What the fuck just happened with the trash gang? They rotated to the wrong side, man.
Just
And
go
here she
B.
is just easily sitting here, man.
B.
Okay, over here with another one. And
Spike planted.
okay, there is no one in the side. They can
One
actually
enemy
defuse the
remaining.
spike. Okay, that's too late. Now this looks promising, guys.
Why am I still alive? Bro,
Just to
just finish
catch
it.
more in one.
Just to come.
I have an assignment to do, bro.
I'm
Just
going
finish
on
it.
That'll work.
We are very busy students. Just end it right now, bro.
No.
That should work. Up I go. Let's flush them out.
Now Yen Master will be like, just finish the game, guys. I need to go.
Still in sight.
Cage trigger.
Okay. Deadly with the W button. Okay,
I know
Marksman is
exactly where you
Okay, you're deadly. Nice one.
One enemy remaining.
okay. Marksman
Finally,
OP.
my friend.
1v2. He already killed
Finally,
3.
my friend.
No, Fierce. Please don't do that. Please, Fierce. No, GG, guys.
This is the end. The rise, fall, and fall again of the team. Finally.
Finally.
Bro. Yeah.
Finally.
Stop the stream.
Now
Guys,
the next match, the match 3 will
like
be.
and subscribe.
Okay. Let me take a screenshot.
Or you guys left the party, man.